Ugh, it's getting cold. Do you feel cold, Professor?
Why, yes indeed, Jack. Winter is coming fast, as the forecast predicted.
Well, why is the house losing heat?
Good question, Jack. Let me give you a short summary of the methods of heat transmission. See that window?
Yeah.
Well, that window is conducting heat from the warmer insides of the house and losing heat to the cooler region outside the house through radiation and conduction.
Well, what is conduction?
Well, conduction refers to the transmission of heat from a hotter region to a cooler region through direct contact without movement of the materials.
So how can we minimize heat loss by conduction?
Insulation, which means minimizing heat loss through poor conductors of heat. For windows, you could use windows with an airspace in between. Air is a poor conductor of heat, hence it insulates the heat from the outside air.
Well, isn't it getting chilly? Let me just open the heater.
Jack, why is the heater on the ceiling?
Well, aren't they all?
Haha, that's a funny one. Do you know how heaters work?
Not really.
Well, heaters are usually placed on the floor. Let me explain why. Firstly, air present at the coils of the heater gains heat through conduction. Then, as the air warms up, it expands, becomes less dense, and rises. As the hot air rises, it displaces some of the cold air at the top of the room. The cold air at the top then sinks to the floor, gains heat and expands. And the process repeats itself. This is called a convection current.
So, if the heater heats up the air at the top of the room, it will always remain there as it cannot lose heat and will become more dense to sink and create a convection current. I get it now.
Ah, no wonder you feel cold. Look at your shirt, it's black.
What's wrong with my shirt?
Black objects are good absorbers of heat and vice versa good radiators of heat. The heat from your body is conducted away by the colder shirt and radiated to the colder surroundings at a fast rate. Therefore, you feel cold. Also, the lower temperature relative to your body heat, the faster the rate transfer to the colder surroundings by radiation.
Could you be clearer about what's radiation?
Radiation, to be exact, is the transfer of energy without the need for a medium in the form of electromagnetic waves. It is how the heat from the sun reaches the earth. Anything with heat energy, like you, can radiate heat.
So, if I wear a white shirt, it would make me warmer.
Of course, white and shiny objects are poor radiators of heat after all.
Wow, that was some really helpful advice there, Professor. Hope to have another interesting lesson with you soon.
See you soon.